Today we're talking about Shareables, a tool that lets you turn your Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion into a real interactive website in minutes. Yes, without coding, without exporting files. It actually looks professional. If you manage data inside spreadsheets and wish it could magically become a website, this might be your new favorite tool. If you like honest SaaS reviews with zero fluff, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Shareables before. Shareables is a no-code website and widget builder. Instead of copying and pasting data into WordPress or hiring a developer, you connect your Google Sheet, Airtable, or Notion. Choose a template, customize the design, publish, or embed it anywhere. That's it. And the best part, when you update your spreadsheet, your website updates automatically. No rebuilding, no re-uploading, no stress. How it works, step by step. Step 1. Connect your data. 2 minutes. You connect Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion. Once connected, your data syncs instantly. Change something in your sheet, it updates on your site automatically. Step 2. Choose a template. 10 minutes. Shareables gives you ready-made templates like product catalog, team directory, job board events, page, testimonials, wall blog pricing tables, property listings. You can customize colors, fonts, layout, spacing, filters, search, sorting, no design skills required. Step 3. Publish anywhere. 2 minutes. You can embed it on WordPress, add it to Webflow, use it on Card, install it on your custom website, or publish it as its own website with custom domain plus SSL. It's lightweight and SEO supported, which is huge if you care about Google rankings. Real use cases. Here's where Shareables shines. Product catalogs, client directories, team pages, event listings, property listings, resource libraries, simple storefronts, data-driven blogs. If you're a marketer, small business owner, solopreneur, agency owner, this can save you hours of dev time. Why people love it? Users consistently mention lightning fast setup, beautiful templates, real HTML, good for SEO, instant data sync, extremely responsive support. And the founder, Ryan Walker, is known for replying fast and even shipping feature updates based on feedback. That's rare. Right now, Shareables is available on AppSumo with lifetime access tiers starting at $59. And you get lifetime access, 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's pretty low risk. If you already use Google Sheets or Airtable, and you're tired of copying data manually, hiring developers, using bulky CMS plugins, then Shareables is honestly a no-brainer. It feels like the missing bridge between spreadsheets and websites. Simple tool, fast results, clean output. If the lifetime deal is still available, I'd seriously consider grabbing it. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. If you want more honest SaaS reviews and lifetime deal breakdowns, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.